Welcome to InSkill. This is Dr. Daniel reporting for duty. I will be here to assist you in creating the perfect Copilot for you and your team. Today, we will be discussing accessing your InSkill portal to create new Copilots. To access your portal, you can go directly to expert.inskill.ai, or you can also go to our homepage at inskill.ai and hit sign in at the top right corner of your screen. Once you've signed into your InSkill account, you'll land on the Manage portal. After you've added your Copilots, they will be displayed in the main section of this page. To add a new product, it's simple. Just click Add New, located in the upper right corner of the screen. Alternatively, you may click the drop-down arrow next to the Manage tab and select New Copilot from the menu. Whichever path you choose, on the following page, you will provide necessary details for the equipment, including the name and logo of your Copilot. Once all required information has been entered, click Save at the top right corner of the screen to complete the process. Now your new Copilot has been added to your account. You are now ready to begin adding resources to get your GPT up and running. See you next time in Dr. Daniel's lesson.